Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. So let's swipe down like this. After you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon. You can tap on it. It will bring you to the brightness menu, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through settings. So we can press the side button on the home screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it of course, then scroll through the settings, find the option called, I believe, display and brightness. Yes, it's display and brightness. Tap on it, then tap on brightness, and now we can adjust the brightness to our liking. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch, or rather smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.